Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Cuphead rap on piano. To begin, let's focus on the iconic main melody. Start by using your right hand to learn the notes and rhythmic patterns. Take your time to practice the opening section very slowly, ensuring each note is clear. Pay close attention to your finger placement and the timing of each beat for a solid foundation. Now, let's bring in your left hand to add depth to the piece. Focus on learning the bass line, which often provides the rhythmic drive. Identify the main chords that accompany the melody. These are typically simple power chords or octaves. Begin coordinating both hands at a very slow speed, ensuring each hand plays its part accurately. A consistent tempo is key here. Once you are comfortable with both hands, it's time to gradually increase your playing speed. Don't rush. Aim for a smooth and controlled acceleration. Think about incorporating dynamic changes like playing louder or softer to add more expression to your performance. If you encounter any tricky sections, isolate them and practice them repeatedly until they feel natural. Listening to the original track helps immensely. For effective practice, break the entire song into smaller, manageable sections. This makes learning less overwhelming and more focused. Always use a metronome to develop a rock-solid, consistent rhythm and timing. A great tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back can highlight areas needing more attention. Finally, put all the pieces together and enjoy performing the full, energetic Cuphead rap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.